In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand aspect ratios on Squarespace. Understanding aspect ratios is essential as it helps to ensure that images on your website look just right, without being stretched or cropped undesirably. So let's get started by opening Squarespace. Once you're there, make sure you log into your account. This will bring you to your homepage, which is where everything begins. Now that you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the left bottom corner of your screen. Here, you should see your profile. This is your starting point for selecting the website you wish to work on. Clicking your profile will bring up a list or menu of your websites if you have more than one. Select the specific website you're targeting for these changes, and once you've done this, you'll want to click Edit to start refining your images. Now, let's talk about image blocks. Image blocks are a versatile feature in Squarespace that allow you to manipulate how an image is displayed. The image aspect ratio within these blocks will change depending on your choice to either fit the image into the block or maintain its original shape. If you wish to fine-tune this further, simply click on the specific image you have in mind. Then hit the Design button. This area will allow you to explore various options like Fit, Fill, and Shape. Each of these choices offers a different approach. Fit tries to keep the entire image in the block. Fill will ensure the image covers the entire block area, sometimes cropping the edges, and Shape offers a chance to customize the silhouette of the image display. In addition to these options, you can also choose a specific shape for your image to add a unique flair to your website. Organizing your images this way allows you to control the aspect ratio, ensuring the picture appears exactly as you want it to fit the design of your site. Now, moving on to other features like blog posts. These often have different needs in terms of aspect ratios. For your blog post featured images, you have the option to set a uniform aspect ratio. To do this, you'll start by clicking Edit section within your blog post settings. Once in this section, you'll find an option labeled Aspect Ratio. Clicking on this will allow you to select the aspect ratio that you want. What this does is ensure all the featured images on your blog page are cropped to this specific shape, giving your blog a cohesive and professional look. By following these steps, you'll have a more organized, visually appealing Squarespace site. With the right aspect ratio settings, your images will always look their best, helping you create a stunning visual impact on your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy designing on Squarespace.